If you use both Logseq and Obsidian, you may be wondering whether it is possible to keep them working together on the same notes. The good news is that because both applications are built around local markdown files, it is entirely possible to use Logseq and Obsidian in sync. This allows you to take advantage of Logseq's powerful outliner and journaling features while also benefiting from Obsidian's linking system, plugins, graph view, databases, and knowledge management tools. Whether you are a student, researcher, writer, project manager, or productivity enthusiast, combining the strengths of both applications can create a very flexible workflow. In this video, I'll show you how to use Logseq in sync with Obsidian in 2026, step by step, even if you are completely new to one or both applications. First, it is important to understand how both applications store information. Logseq and Obsidian primarily use markdown files saved locally on your device. Because they work with standard text-based files, both applications can access the same folder of notes under many circumstances. Begin by choosing the folder that will contain your shared notes. If you already have an existing Obsidian vault, you can often use that folder as the starting point. Alternatively, you can create a completely new folder that will be shared between both applications. Next, open Obsidian and either create a new vault using the shared folder or open the existing vault you want to use. Verify that your notes appear correctly and that you can create, edit, and save files without any issues. Now, open Logseq and choose the option to open an existing graph. Navigate to the same folder that you selected for Obsidian and allow Logseq to index the files. After a short scan, your notes should become available inside Logseq as well. At this point, both applications are reading and writing information from the same collection of markdown files. Any note created in one application can generally be accessed by the other after the files are refreshed or synchronized. To keep compatibility high, try to use standard markdown formatting whenever possible. Basic headings, lists, links, checkboxes, code blocks, and text formatting usually work well across both platforms. Using standard formatting reduces the chances of display differences between applications. Another useful practice is maintaining a clear folder structure. Organize notes into logical folders, such as projects, research, journal, tasks, references, or areas of responsibility. Consistent organization helps both applications navigate and display content more effectively. If you use daily notes, pay attention to naming conventions. Logseq and Obsidian may handle journal files slightly differently depending on your configuration. Consider testing a few daily notes first to ensure both applications display them as expected. Internal links are another area worth checking. While both platforms support linking between notes, certain advanced linking features or plugin-generated links may behave differently. Verify that important note connections remain functional in both applications. When working across multiple devices, consider using a synchronization method such as a cloud storage service or dedicated synchronization solution. This allows both applications to access the same files regardless of which device you are currently using. Before making large changes, always allow synchronization to finish completely to avoid version conflicts. It is also a good idea to avoid editing the exact same note simultaneously in both applications. Since both programs write changes directly to markdown files, editing one file in two places at the same time can occasionally lead to conflicts or overwritten content. Another helpful tip is keeping plugins under control. Some plugins create custom formatting or metadata that may not be recognized by the other application. If cross-compatibility is important, test new plugins carefully before relying on them for critical workflows. As your knowledge base grows, regularly review how notes appear in both applications. Small adjustments to formatting and organization can improve the overall experience and make switching between platforms feel seamless. You should also maintain regular backups of your shared note folder. Since both applications are modifying the same files, having backups provides extra protection against accidental changes or synchronization errors. So that's how to use Logseq in sync with Obsidian in 2026. The main steps are choosing a shared markdown folder, opening the same folder in both applications, using compatible markdown formatting, organizing notes consistently, monitoring synchronization, and testing important features to ensure they work properly across both platforms. With the right setup, you can enjoy the strengths of both Logseq and Obsidian while keeping all of your notes connected in a single knowledge system. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Obsidian tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.